Okay, so we've put a subheading of the ferry. On the ferry, we have 4 adults, and each of those adults is going to cost £25. So that gives us a total of £100. We've also got a car that costs £64. So our total for the ferry is £164. That's in pounds. We need to change that to euros. And we're told that £1 is 1.2 euros. So I need to do 164 times by 1.2. If you're struggling with doing that, we can break the 1.2 down into, we want to find 0.1 of 164, which is dividing by 10, which is going to be 16.4. So another 0.1 times by 164 is going to be another 16.4. So we're going to make that into 32.8. If I add on 164 to that, I get 196.80 euros. So my ferry cost in euros, £196.80. I'm now going to want to work out the cost for the fuel, for the petrol. So I'll put another subheading. Petrol. I'm doing 2,500 kilometres, and I have to divide that by 10 because the car travels 10 kilometres on 1 litre of fuel. That means in total I'm using approximately 250 litres of petrol. It says that petrol costs 1.1 euros per litre. So I'm going to have to do 250 times by 1.1, which gets me 275 euros. So I've got the total cost for the ferry and the total cost for the petrol. So if I add them, I have 275, 196.8, and if I sum those, I get 471.80 euros. This question was worth 5 marks. First mark was for allocating £100 for the adults. Second mark was for converting the ferry cost into euros. Third mark, working out the number of litres of fuel. Fourth mark, converting that into a euros cost. And your fifth mark was for the final answer. Okay, the first video then. This is video 214A that would be useful for this. And it's about currency. So under Corbett Maths, the videos are in numerical order, so you would just scroll down to video 214. Okay, when you're ready,